Hello, dear students. Welcome to a new episode of Success Stories. Today, we have with us Bhanu Teja from Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. Hi, Bhanu Teja.
Hi, Raksha ma'am.
First of all, congratulations on clearing exams. How do you feel?
I'm so excited, ma'am. Really. After a long gap, I got a success. So I'm feeling very happy.
Very nice. So, what made you choose company secretary course? There's so many courses out there, and you specifically choosing company secretary. What was your goal? Why did you come?
Actually, I had done CA course, ma'am, for 1-2 years. I have cleared second group in CA also. Actually, it is little bit of lengthy for me to complete CA, and CS is mostly of theoretical way, ma'am. So I like theory. So I choose CS course is best for me. So I chosen company secretary course, which is very good and very easy for me. So I had put my step into company secretary course, ma'am.
What is the opportunity you find here comparatively to CS? What do you find better here?
Mostly, I won't like to keep. I won't be in working as a practice. I would like to work as a some key manager person in a company. So I like. I mean, to say CS is the best way to enter into a company and put my efforts everything in it. Okay. So I choose company secretary course as most beneficial for me. So I had taken my first step. I have chosen CA, which is slightly. I think it is a good one, but
Yes.
for me it's not a right way.
Yes,
So
definitely. You would have gained a lot of knowledge, which you are definitely applying here as well. So you have double power now. You've completed the CA Inter and then you're coming to CS. So that's wonderful, Bhanu Teja.
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am.
Very nice. Then coming to, of course, every student have their own share of difficulties and struggles and challenges. Would you like to share with us what are the challenges you faced until now?
Yes, ma'am. Last year, all of us know there is a lockdown for 1 year now, ma'am. At the time, I started for 1 month self study. So for 1 month, I made a self study. So it is very difficult to understand any problems and any theory. Okay, I can't understand. I mean, there is slightly different subjects in CA and CS, ma'am. I can't go through everything now. So I am little struggled in second module, like 2-3 subjects, which is very tough for me. I can't even understand even one line also. Even I made self study, which I can go through it, but I didn't made it. Okay.
Coming to your self-study point, you told you found some subjects which were difficult.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me tell our viewers, Bhanu Teja is telling he found 2 subjects difficult, right?
Yes,
But
ma'am.
he has scored exemption in one of the subject. That is my subject, FSM, and I'm very proud of him for that. He used to tell me he was very scared to face this paper, but look what he's come out with. He has an exemption with that paper. So would you like to tell me, you tell it is your difficult subject, but still you've scored the highest in that subject. What made you get that interest and what made you clear exams in such a wonderful way?
Yes, ma'am. Last year, for 1 month, I made self study, ma'am.
Yes.
Next, subsequently, I have looked over any courses, I mean, any academy which is helpful for me to get everything in subject. Mostly, I searched many of it. In that, very easily, I have found Excel Academy. So, I mean, the demo classes are very easy to understand because the English is not so difficult to get us. So no problem, I can understand this right English, no problem, I can manage it. No, I can easily understand it. And I contacted Excel Academy. They said we are available to provide classes, no problem. So in such a lockdown time, I got classes through from Excel Academy. First I got fear, ma'am. First time I have taken online classes. I didn't attend any online classes before. Okay, I go through institute and attend manually classes. So,
Okay.
I mean, online classes are first to me.
So you were not very comfortable with the concept of online class. So how is your experience been with online class?
Ma'am, to be frank, when I get any doubt in subject, I mean mainly financial and strategic management subject, which doubt I got, you have cleared it next line only. I am very surprised by how is it possible to understand which doubt I can.
I'm already anticipating that my students might have this doubt and I clear it in the next line.
Yes, ma'am. I am surprised, ma'am, really, because I didn't attend any online classes, ma'am. So I got very, I mean, surprised. What is this? Just now I got the doubt and I just now I cleared. How is it possible? So really, for first two classes, I am very happy, ma'am, because the teaching, I mean, everything, line to line, you have explained, ma'am. I'm really happy. So your classes and everything that made me the most difficult subject and which is the most easiest one for me to complete my CS executive module 2.
But all credits goes to you, Bhanu, because you are the one who sat with all the innocents, studied, understood, made efforts, and then gave exam and also cleared it with flying colors. So I owe all your credits to only you. We all are just helping you get through a phase, right?
But
so
50% to 60% credit is yours only, ma'am, because
no.
I don't know anything about subject, ma'am. I can prepare.
So we are very glad. We are totally glad that you chose us and you have come out with flying colors. Congratulations to you on that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Then what is the message you would want to give to your fellow students? Of course, students who are watching this video today are either yet to join CS course, or they are yet to give exams, or they are yet to clear exams, right? There are students coming from various backgrounds watching this video. So definitely you had certain inhibitions and fears in the beginning, right?
Yes,
so what is that one message you want to give to your fellow students?
Ma'am, to be good, I am not much big to give suggestions. Only one suggestion I have to give. Any subject, if we know the subject also, we should take coaching and we have to make self notes only, ma'am. Only studying and listening is not important, ma'am. Everyone can do it, but self notes is little difficult. But we have to make self notes, which is most helpful for us to revise before exams. So self notes is very important now. We can listen the classes and we can understand slowly, but self notes is most helpful for me. To clear my CS executive module 1, self notes is very useful, ma'am, for me. And this credit also goes to you only, ma'am. Self notes I don't know anything about. For your 10 to 15 minutes here, you will say make notes. So I got say, what is the use of making notes? Let's try it from today.
I keep annoying
and
students
from fourth
by
day,
repeating myself many times, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Until you do it, I will not leave you.
Yes, ma'am. From fourth class, I had made notes, ma'am. That is very helpful for me, ma'am. Even my friends have suggested, ma'am, to make self notes.
Okay.
So really, it is very helpful, ma'am.
So students, listen to Bhanu Teja. Those not making notes will suffer before exam. So just listening to lectures is not enough. Make your own notes and use it one day before exams. Right, Bhanu?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
It is my big suggestion, ma'am.
Very nice.
No one will do self notes. So it is very important for us.
Correct. And then you told that coaching has helped you really because you tried self-study once and then you jumped into coaching. It's not like you started with coaching right in the beginning only, right? So yes, what is your experience? Would you recommend your students to take coaching for which subject? I think you have not taken coaching for all the subjects, right? So how, as a student, how should they decide on which subject to choose? Because it's such a difficult decision to make. What would you say?
Yes, ma'am. From my background, I am CNO, ma'am. From my background, FSM, I mean Financial and Strategic Management is not there in CA IPCC. So from my side, CS executive students, which comes from CA Inter or IPCC, they should take coaching for Financial and Strategic Management, Economic, Commercial and Business Laws, Securities and Capital Markets. And corporate and management accounting, they can manage because accounts is mostly the chart accountancy subject, ma'am. No much, but if we take, it will be very helpful, ma'am. No problem. But these classes we should take compulsorily, ma'am.
Okay.
Coaching is
So
very
it helps you, you're telling us that it helps you, give you an edge over self-studies, right?
Yes,
right. All right. It was wonderful talking to you, Bhanu Teja. You've told us entirely. You've spoken about your journey, how you began, where you are currently. We wish you all the best for your future exams, and we would love to see you as a company secretary soon. Yes, we would love to hear from you again as a company secretary, coming here with us and inspiring more students ahead. Thank you for joining us, Bhanu Teja. Yes, please. Yes, please tell me.
Thanks, ma'am, for you. First of all, thanks, ma'am. Thank you, Raksha, ma'am. Thank you so much. And again, thanks to Alok sir, which is very helpful for me. His classes are very easy, like security laws and capital markets, and economic business and commercial laws. And Vishwa sir, which made last year, he made complete YouTube classes, which is free for corporate and management accounting. Those classes are really helpful, ma'am. So complete module 2. Excel Academy team made me to crack CS executive module 2 with flying colors, ma'am. And thanks to my parents and my friends, ma'am. They are very helpful.
It's a proud moment for all of us. Yes, Bhanu Teja, congratulations. We are very happy that you are our student and you have cleared with such flying colors.
Yes, ma'am.
So you are an example that hard work always pays. And definitely you have to move ahead in life.
Yes, ma'am.
Having crystal clear goals, right?
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Thank you, Bhanu Teja. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.